Now, why does the spiritual master disappear? Why does he appear? Why does he become manifest? And then why does he become unmanifest? Because by appearing in front of us, he instructs us about Krishna. He inspires us to become inclined towards spiritual life. And then, by disappearing, he puts us in a test. Like, okay, you have become attracted to me, you have accepted me, you have accepted my instructions, you have accepted my teaching. Now let's see how deep is that attraction. Now that I'm gone, are you just going to forget and get involved in your useless mundane activities, or are you going to pursue your spiritual life? And remember, he is watching. It's just like a teacher. Teacher teaches throughout the year. Then, at the time of exams, what happens? The same teacher who had been helping you all along becomes the invigilator. And he sees how you're answering your questions, how you're writing your paper. You remember that your Guru Maharaj is always watching you. Okay? So now let's see. How do you fare through the test? And we have to help each other to pass this test. We have to remind each other that we are put into a test now. It's a big test. Our spiritual master himself has put us in this test. And if we pass, then what will happen? If we pass the test, we get promoted to the spiritual sky.